Hello everyone, and welcome back to my another vlog. It's the morning hours, and I just took my shower, and today I'm going for a seminar. Yeah, bestie seminar in Itanagar in Toto Hotel, and I'm super excited for that because this will be my first green seminar that I'm going to attend for the network marketing and besties. So let's go. Okay guys, so finally I'm here and I'm going to go inside the auditorium room, and there are like lots of people have come to attend this program, and it's super yeah.
एक दूसरे को चेक कर। अच्छा, हंसना नहीं है प्लीज। तो देखो क्यों मैं ये क्यों करवा रहा हूँ इस बिकॉज देखो। ओके गाइस, शुरू करें फिर से। बढ़िया बढ़िया। तो मैंने बोला था एक्चुअली नेचर्स कॉल के लिए जाना, कोई लंच कॉल के लिए चला गया। ओके कोई बात नहीं, चलो नो प्रॉब्लम। लेकिन हम लोग द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द सेशन हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं। अब तो सबका ये सब भी हो गया, टॉयलेट भी हो गया, तो विल स्टार्ट अगेन। सो आप सब लोगों को कैसा मतलब बहुत सीखने को मिला, राइट? तो प्लीज यार नानी के लिए सर, कैन वी प्लीज हैव अ क्लैप फॉर हिम? What is your first income in Vestige?
42.
Same like me, yeah. 42. My one was also 42. So what is your highest income from here in Vestige?
64,000 plus.
64,000 plus. अभी आपका डेजिग्नेशन क्या है सर?
Star director.
Star Director. Can we please have a huge round of applause for him? And the most important thing, आपका उम्र क्या है सर अभी?
21. Going to be 21.
Going to be 21 guys. और जब कभी उनसे मुलाकात नहीं हुआ, उनके बारे में सुना, देखा कि वो बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है और बहुत अच्छी कर रही है। So I would like to ask you मैम, आपने कब वेस्टीज को शुरू किया था?
I started in Vestige in 2020 August.
2020 अगस्त में शुरू किया था मैम। तो आपका फर्स्ट इनकम कितना था?
31,000.
फर्स्ट इनकम 31,000 गाइस। फर्स्ट इनकम इज 31,000। और पता है क्यों मैंने जोर से बोला? क्योंकि आप जब दूसरों के जीत पे ताली बजाएंगे, जब आप जीतोगे तब लोग आपके लिए ताली बजाएंगे। Thank you all. So कैसा लग रहा है guys? Good morning.
Finally, it's time to refreshment.
Good silly Lije.
Yes,
My
thank
girls.
you. And what else? So, hello guys, so today I'm having the Abhijit Jamaiti with me, and he's a very much good big achiever of this besties. So just I want to ask some questions to him, like what he got from this besties, and like what is the experience and what he have done to this besties. Just I want to ask to sir. So sir,
Yeah, nice to meet you all, and hello everyone to all the family there. So yeah, what you want to know about me?
yeah sir, like you can tell your experience about this bestie journey.
Okay, see, firstly, Vestige Marketing Private Limited is a network marketing company, and I started this in 2018, and I started it as a student. I was in my final year of my college, and then now it's been almost to be 3 years, and right now I'm working here as a star director. And talking about my achievement is still very less, but through this system I have helped 4 people to achieve their task in my team, and I have more than 5 people in my team who are earning more than 1 lakh plus per month, and who are not 30 years above, but they are instead rather 30 years and 25 years and below actually. So that's all. My team's achievements are my achievements. So that's what we are going through. We are not still. I'm not still yet successful, but I'm on the way towards the journey of success. So let's hope for the best, and definitely more bigger things are coming up. And to all you guys, stay tuned. We're coming up with bigger and better things. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, can you tell me that like today's program experience, how was it?
Yeah, it was really great that I have attended. This is the second time that I'm attending the Nuwai's training. It was really great, and yeah, everyone should learn from him, and yeah, everyone should, together we can work, nah? Yeah, that's it. And how was it for you, ma'am?
It was really good, and it was such a good experience. And like, do you want to say anything to my viewers?
Yeah, sure. Your viewers like वो अरुणाचल स्पेशली लाइक हम लोगों को ऐसे ट्रेनिंग ऐसे इवेंट हमेशा अटेंड करना चाहिए, भले ही वो बेस्टिजन ना हो, बेस्टिज में ज्वाइन भी ना करता हो, बट अपना लाइफ के लिए, बट खुद का ड्रीम के लिए आपको ये ट्रेनिंग, ये इवेंट हमेशा अटेंड, एक बार ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करके देखना चाहिए. थैंक यू.
Anything about my viewers?
Yes, I want to tell everyone that you should also join network marketing, not only Vestige but in any platform through network marketing that will help you in like growing your life and achieving your dreams. So I hope you all to join network marketing by means of any company or any products. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. क्या आप मुझे अपने एक्सपीरियंस बता सकते हैं? हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड लाइक कैसा लगा आज का प्रोग्राम?
So today's program was very exciting. Like it was amazing. I was excited for the day, and I was really excited to meet our sir. So my dreams are over because I met my sir, and today's program was like, yeah, it was very exciting. Thank you.
Hello, Manya. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling fine. I'm feeling so energetic right now. ये YouTube में नहीं जाएगा.
Good morning from Vestige.
Okay guys, so finally we are done with our seminar, and it was really a successful seminar. Now we are done and we are going back to the home now.